Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn essay on unity in diversity. So let's get going. India is a country with various traditions and culture. The culture heritage of our country makes us feel proud of our country. In India, there are people with various lifestyles, languages, and so on. Still, people in our country are united when any issues arise. India is the best example for unity in diversity. Unity in diversity signifies the importance of togetherness and unity among different kinds of individuals. People with a different culture, religion, class, language, and ideology, when coming together and live in peace with each other, is called unity in diversity. Unity in diversity suggests the relationship among people of different religion, caste, sex, and creed. For instance, if we think about schools, colleges, and public places, there are different people that live and work peacefully with each other without any disappointment. India is a well-known country of oldest civilization in the world, where people of many different groups live together for years. India is a country of diverse civilization where people used of using almost 1650 spoken languages according to their religion and choice. In spite of being related from different cultures, traditions, religions, and languages, people here respect each other and live together with lots of love and feeling of brotherhood. We can never forget the freedom movements run by the people of all religions of India to make India an independent country. The struggle for freedom is the great example of unity in diversity in India. Unity in diversity provides sources of tourism in India. More travels and tourists from all over the world attract people of different culture, tradition, food, religion, and dress. Unity in diversity boosts morale in people's workplace, organization, and community. It helps in enhancing team spirit, relationships, group work among people, due to which it improves performance, efficiency, productivity, and lifestyle, keeps people away from social troubles, and helps in fighting difficulties easily. India is famous for its rich culture heritage, which is due to people of different religions. People of different cultures promote different lifestyles based on their interests and beliefs. They again promote growth in various professional fields such as music, art, drama, dance, theatre, sculpture, etc. The spiritual traditions of the people make them more pious for each other. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.